everyone, today we're going to do a tutorial with Kimberbell's double-sided Bond Pro stabilizer. This is a great stabilizer for doing any kind of fun applique or patches is what we're going to be working with today. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to take your double-sided Bond Pro and you're going to cut a piece that's just a little bit larger than your patch. So I'm just going to cut that right out. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, we're going to take our patch and have it wrong side up, and then we're going to take our double-sided Bond Pro. You can tell that there's a shiny side and then kind of a rougher side. We're going to place that with the smooth side up against the wrong side of our fabric, and then we're going to heat our iron and place it directly on the smooth side for about 8 to 12 seconds. And this is on our hottest iron setting. Okay, so I've let that cool just a little bit so that I can touch it. And then I'm just going to go along and just trim that right to the size of my patch here. Right, and maybe you need some little tiny scissors to get in those little detailed areas. Okay, so I've got that fairly trimmed. Now I'm going to attach this to one of our Kimberbell blank zipper pouches. You could attach this to any other blank that you wanted. So I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to peel off that shiny paper, right? And then I'm just gonna place this where I want it, right on my patch. And then I'm going to use a pressing cloth so that I don't melt or do anything to this. So I've got a little tea towel here that I'm going to use. And then I'm just going to press it again for that 8 to 12 seconds and then allow to cool. And you are done. And the great thing about the double-sided Bond Pro is once it's stuck down, it's stuck down. That's not going to move. So make sure that you have it right where you want to place it because it's not going to be removable. So I hope you enjoyed seeing how we use our double-sided Bond Pro here at Kimberbell, and we can't wait to see what you make with it.